guys, it's Shivangi. Welcome to my channel. So today I am back with a painting challenge, guys. I mean, ये मेरी life का second painting challenge होने वाला है and I'm super excited. So इस challenge में क्या होता है मैं आपको फटाफट से बता देती हूँ. जो भी बच्चों की coloring book होती है ना, हम उस ordinary basic सी coloring book को पेंट करके एक बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रोफेशनल टच देते हैं. एंड इफ यू वांट टू सी द फर्स्ट वर्जन ऑफ इट, फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट, इट्स ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड. आई थिंक 6-7 महीने हो चुके होंगे मुझे अपलोड करे हुए. बट या, कमिंग बैक टू दिस वीडियो, आई एम अगेन वे टू एक्साइटेड एंड लेट्स सी क्या होने वाला है. मैं यहाँ पे मिक्स मीडिया यूज करने का प्लान कर रही हूँ, यूजिंग माई color pencils, my watercolors and everything. Anyway guys, वीडियो के एंड पे मैं आपके कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दूंगी, so watch till the end and if you have few more questions then comment down below. Okay guys, so this is the coloring book and now I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough of what is exactly inside this coloring book. I just love these type of illustrations guys. ये मुझे literally अपने बचपन की याद दिलाती है.
ये मेरे बचपन का प्यार है.
All of them are looking so damn cute. I cannot select one man. Look at this cutie guys. Just look at this. Oh my god, we have an elephant as well.
Aww, so cute.
It's so hard to choose one, but I really want to try something else, something different this time. But wait, I think I got something. If you guys follow me on Instagram, मतलब अगर आप नहीं follow करते तो कर लो. It's shivangi.sa. मैं कभी-कभी stories भी डालती हूँ baking की because I love baking. So I'll go forward with this illustration. I can see myself in this cartoon. I'm not even kidding. So firstly, I'm gonna wet my watercolor cake colors so that I'm able to use them properly. And once that is done, then I'm gonna quickly start painting on this cute drawing. I am so excited to complete this one guys. Like I have no idea ये end पे कैसा बनेगा, but let's see.
It's gonna look good, I'm telling you.
Anyway, did I tell you that here I'm using my Baba Adam ke zamane ke watercolor cake colors and the technique which I'm using here is known as wet on wet technique and मैं फटाफट इसी technique को use करके अपने बाकी सारे elements को paint कर दूंगी.
Look at this. This looks therapeutic.
As I said, I'm gonna follow the same process to complete each and every element of this drawing. And this is gonna take quite some time. And now the time has come to give some life to this doll. And once everything is done, now I'm gonna start with my second stage where I'll concentrate on light and shadow. And मैं फटाफट details add करना start कर दूंगी so that this looks थोड़ा सा तो beautiful because right now it's looking very bland, very basic and very blah blah. Finally, the time has come to use our Staedtlers. And by the way guys, if you don't have Staedtlers, that's totally fine. आप कोई भी regular color pencils भी use कर सकते हैं. So I'll start with outlining my cute little doll. And then I'm gonna add few more details because you guys know how much I love details. मतलब बिना details के तो I feel like painting complete ही नहीं हुई है. So yes, I'm gonna add those details here. You guys have no idea how excited I am. And now I'm gonna prepare my red velvet cake batter. In case you guys are wondering ये लाल रंग का batter किस चीज के लिए बन रहा है? So this is gonna be my red velvet cake. By the way, did I tell you that I'm not a very big fan of red velvet cake? I mean, vanilla, strawberry, fruit cake or chocolate cake are so much better. Comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. I was just thinking, why not calling it a strawberry cake rather than red velvet cake? Makes sense, right? Moving on guys, now I'm gonna add same level of details to each and every element because why not? And somehow, I don't know why, I feel the background is looking way too bland, way too basic and way too normal. And that is why I am painting on it. I don't know why, but I'm getting those vibe of a fashion designer because right now I'm actually designing her apron. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this dress design. I think this is looking stunning. Just kidding guys, comment करके बताना because this is the very first time I'm actually experimenting with my character's dress. How cool is that?
Very cool.
Somehow guys, I'm still not happy with the background, so I just thought of adding tiles in the background because kitchen, tiles, background, Making sense, right? On a very serious note, I did not imagine कि मैं ये सारे extent तक इतनी details add करूँगी. I am just going with the flow, and it's just that I'm not getting satisfied with whatever I have, and that is why I'm just trying to exceed my limits. My ultimate goal is to make something which looks pretty. Now I am adding some random elements in this drawing so that it looks even more beautiful. मतलब अभी वैसे मुझे इतना beautiful लग नहीं रहा है, but let's see in future if it is gonna look beautiful or not. Let's see ना यार. We have to make sure that it looks beautiful.
मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब अभी ही.
Wow, what a performance!
Now I am so pumped up, guys. I'm 1000% sure that we are gonna create something which looks beautiful. That is why I'm gonna add few more details in the background as well as in our main elements. In case if you guys are wondering, am I adding some more extra elements? Then yes guys, I am doing that so that the painting, the drawing looks even more detailed and beautiful. Here you can use your pastel colors or even acrylic paints to add these highlights. And let me tell you guys, I am actually liking this idea of adding highlights using white paint because सच में ना this is looking really pretty. I don't know कितनी बार really बोलूँगी, but trust me guys, इस highlight से ना जान आ गई है painting में. And once everything is done, I'm gonna use my black paint to outline my cute little dolly. Trust me guys, I never thought that I'll be using so much of glitch pitch random mediums to complete this artwork, but at the end I am so happy with this outcome. And I'll just quickly grab this children's coloring notebook to see how far we have come. And look at this guys, there is a clear difference here and I'm really happy with the outcome. I think adding these extra details, extra element really worked well for me because if you see here, the apron is so bland, so plain, but with the help of colors, I actually tried to add details here. Okay guys, so this is what our final piece looks like and this is looking really pretty. मम्मा आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत सुंदर.
एंड मुझे भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा लगा. मतलब इफ़ यू कंपेयर इट आपस में तो ऐसा ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क लग रहा है.